welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday, October 14th, and we're headed to pick out some flooring today. So Dan has 2 of the bedrooms painted. All the carpet is gone in the entire upstairs. Very exciting. So all the rooms look like this. So this room and then the main bedroom, he's already painted this like minty-ish greenish color. This room is kind of a brown, and we're just leaving it as is because no one's living in this room and we don't really care right now, but maybe one day we'll fix it. Right now, we don't mind. So yeah, this is kind of what the aftermath of the place looks like. There's only one spot here in this master that he had to replace the flooring, and I don't know what he did, but he did it. There's actually like a subfloor underneath this too, so this is just like an extra subfloor. And then he's gonna fill that with foam of some sort. And then eventually we're gonna redo the tile in this bathroom and we'll do a different vanity too, but right now we don't really mind or care. And then he did out in this landing area too. And one day we'll do the carpeted stairs, because this carpeted stairs, that landing is the same stuff that's all the way to that second living room and then like the dining room area. So it's something we'll get to one day. We need 26 boxes, and the pallet they pulled down had 25, so they have to find us one more box of flooring. So this green is what's under the bathroom that has the black tile, and this blue is what's under the like main bedroom bathroom. So eventually we'll get around to changing them. Cheyenne's really enjoying all the boxes to rub against. We just have them kind of scattered about. And Dan's up there working away. Hi, Shay. So Dan's at the house, starting on flooring already. I'm gonna just pack up more of this fridge stuff, the stuff that I never use. I'll be honest, I'm living off of mini pancakes and there with my cracker container, various egg things, and pizza, which is like what I always eat anyways. Dan's the one that likes to actually eat real food. Anyways, I'm gonna clean out a lot of this fridge stuff because most of the sauces and condiments are his anyways, and then probably make him lunch while he's working away upstairs. I decided to stop here to grab some chicken or something for lunch because Dan needs some ibuprofen and a Monster, and I'm kind of craving some chicken. So I ended up getting one of their in-store made pizzas. It looks pretty good, and it's got a nice thick crust, and that's what I like in a pizza. I also decided fruit pizza, $3.95. That looks really good. And then Monster's on sale. Dan's working hard. He deserves them. So 3 for $6, I think was the deal. And this is what he actually wanted. And then for myself, to go with my pizza, I decided to get a little cream soda. And I want to make some cookies today because I really like these. And I can eat like 5 of them in a day, which is bad for you, but they're just delicious. I know I've said this before. My favorite thing about this oven is it shows you like how long it takes to get to the temperature that you want. So then you can kind of get a guesstimate of how long you're waiting. Like it. I feel like I've barely showed you guys this laundry room, but I think eventually, assuming that this is not like a load-bearing wall, whenever we get around to doing the downstairs, we would just take out this entire like divider part and just make this, you know, laundry toilet sink, like one room. We don't necessarily need a door right there and a door right here. It just makes it very cramped. This just looks dirty, and that's just this vinyl, like that's the pattern, is just flecks of whatever, but it just looks dirty. And that's the trim. It's supposed to be flex, it's not dirty. Ugh, don't like it. So above the washer dryer are these cabinets. So we would probably do whatever cabinets we're putting in the kitchen, whenever we get around to that, we would just do cabinets across this entire wall that would also match the kitchen, which is on the other side of this wall. But look, that nasty wallpaper is even up here. Wow, that's dusty. Oh, is that an outlet? Weird. And then
Obviously we would do full cabinets, all of this, and then hopefully knock down this wall if it's not load bearing, which I assume it's not, and then do cabinets along this whole section. We've even talked about like maybe putting a back door here, but I also don't mind just lower cabinets right there and then stopping the upper right here. And then obviously we wouldn't have any of this chrome molding stuff anymore. We're also hoping that this wall right here is not load bearing, so we can just have one seamless kitchen dining area. Pizza's ready. Editing from the floor because we have no furniture. Cheyenne is enjoying all the random boxes of flooring that are laying all over the place now. 26 boxes. So this is what it's looking like. Dan has been so busy, you guys. He got the entire main bedroom done. I wish I could show you with the light on, but you know, there's no overhead lights in here, but one in the closet. I don't know why, but looks great. He's got the main hallway done, kind of inched into the closet, but then went over to this room and is now working in that closet. The floors are not even by any means, so that's been a struggle for him. Some of them, like, it's really obvious where the line is. It's a luxury plank vinyl. I think that's what it is. But you can see, like, there's a huge gap right here. Like, I can stick my finger under there. So, yeah, he's leaving this room for last because he doesn't want to deal with it. But, you know, eventually that's where he's going to be. And then you can see, like, right there, it's really thin, and then progressively just gets like a bigger gap right there because it's just an older house, so it's not like perfectly square. This cream soda brand is delicious. I just got it from festival the other day. I'm gonna be definitely buying some more. I've got a little chip and then struggling to get my sandwich off. Happy dinner to me. I did not mention that it is now Sunday, but you get the gist from that dark room. It is now Sunday. I'm over here gonna make some cookies really quick, and I'll show you what I brought over tonight, which in the next couple of days, I'll probably be able to bring it upstairs, so I'm not gonna be like too organized about it. I'm just gonna get an idea of how I want it before I then move it upstairs. So from the apartment, I brought this stand, which is from Hobby Lobby. I probably was vlogging when I bought it. If you've been here a long time, I bought a security light. I'm tired of coming home and it being dark outside. We have the switch for it, so I can only hope that it's easy. Hi, Shishi. And then I bought this light to try out up here to replace that. I'm hoping it'll be more, you know, bright light and not so yellow. And if that works out, we might do the same for this. So we would sell this to an antique shop. I've Google image searched it, and yeah, I think it'll fetch like $100, which is great because, you know, this is like a $10 light. And then the bigger one, which would be 12 inches, that would potentially go here, is like 25. So kind of getting our money back on all the other lights that we have to install. And then, you know, all the rooms that don't have lights. What a pain. Anyway, so I brought this stand over. This is a bunch of headbands, my rings, a random pillow, that's with the swing, and then that's all nail polish. And so that stuff generally was on here. I'm not gonna actually organize it because, again, we'll have to carry it upstairs anyways. I also bought a cookie jar. So I just put that in the dishwasher. We figured out how to do the 1 hour wash and to not trust the normal wash because the normal wash is 3 hours. And now let's make some cookies. These are so good. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. We've got sunglasses, rings, earrings. I actually have another one at the apartment that I'm using right now, but that'll go on top because it fit before. This is like nail polish overflow. This is where my good ring sits when I have it and it's not getting fixed. Bracelets that I brought over from the apartment like that. And then the nail polish is like this. I think I am gonna go see if I can find another one at Hobby Lobby so I can have one on each side so it's symmetrical. And then each nail polish can have its own. And then that might help me with my headband situation too. Cause like I have all these and then I have more at the apartment. 8 minutes till cookies.